How to use UNISWAP. I'm going to show you how you can easily use UNISWAP. To use UNISWAP, all you need is an Ethereum wallet like MetaMask, which can interact with other Ethereum applications. First, install MetaMask on your browser. Now head to uniswap.org and click on Connect Wallet. Choose MetaMask. Now you can start trading any Ethereum ERC20 token that is listed on Uniswap. There are many people conducting trades on Uniswap simultaneously. The price shown when you place your order may be different from the actual price when the order is executed. This phenomenon is called slippage, and you can cap how much slippage you are willing to tolerate before canceling your order. The reason for slippage is that every trade on Uniswap is an Ethereum transaction, and it can take some time to broadcast the transaction and get it confirmed by the Ethereum network. By the time the transaction is confirmed, the price may have already changed. Due to its decentralized and non-regulated nature, Uniswap supports many types of ERC20 tokens. Practically, anyone can create their token and list it on Uniswap for free, filling Uniswap with a wide variety of tokens, but unfortunately, a fair number of scam coins as well. Just because a coin is listed on Uniswap doesn't mean it's legit or has any intrinsic value. Do your research and decide if you want to invest in a certain coin. The more tokens you hold, the more voting power you have. The idea is for the Uniswap team to gradually fade out their involvement in Uniswap and leave the management of the project to the token holders. Interestingly, while it was never designed to serve as a currency, Uni has risen in value since it was introduced, often occupying a spot at the top of the cryptocurrency list. It seems that the reason for that is that the price of Uni represents how valuable people believe that Uniswap will be in the future. In the cryptocurrency space, it's not uncommon for coins that never had any intention of being used as a financial asset to become very valuable. In the end, it is up to you to decide if being a part of the Uniswap governing body is worth the price of the Uni token.